that will bring more visitors to our shores, create more opportunities for our constituents, and sustain the vibrant growth of our tourism industry. After the pandemic, our tourism sector made an impressive recovery. In 2021, according to data from the Philippine Statistics Authority, our local economy recorded a growth rate of 4.7%, which accelerated to 8% in 2022 and then to an even higher 11% in 2023. In 2023, we are actually the second fastest growing provincial economy in the country. And then just recently, just a few days ago, the PSA released their provincial product accounts. Medyo natabunan lang because of the festival. We haven't been able to highlight it yet because we were focused on the Lanzones Festival. But in 2024, the PSA recorded and reported that our province achieved an 8.6% growth rate in 2024. And that makes us still makes us the fastest growing province in Region 10. And sixth overall among all the provinces in the country, and ninth if you include the all the provinces and highly urbanized cities in the country. So this, we consider it a remarkable feat for a small island province, and it reflects the resilience, creativity, and hard work of every Camiguinon who continues to believe in the potential of our tourism and local industries. And we're not stopping here. Building on this achievement, we're preparing to launch an ambitious year-long I'll Visit Camiguin marketing campaign starting January of 2026. Through this initiative, we aim to further promote our island's natural beauty, culture, and hospitality to both local and international visitors. And this campaign isn't just about attracting tourists, it's about sustaining our economic momentum, creating more livelihood opportunities for people, and ensuring that tourism continues to be a strong driver of inclusive growth for our province in the years to come. Among our recent accomplishments is the significant increase in visitor arrivals over the past 2 years. In 2022, we welcomed 127,859 visitors. This number rose sharply to 210,369 in 2023, and then to 288,558 in 2024. These figures show that both domestic and international tourists are rediscovering and embracing the beauty and experiences that our island has to offer. What makes this achievement even more meaningful is how we are managing and tracking our tourism growth. We have adopted a more digital approach to data collection, reflecting our commitment to the principles of smart tourism. Just to give a background, we used to have we still have a smart tourism ordinance that allowed us to use QR codes and scanning and technology to record and to really record and disaggregate the tourists, the visitors from the